In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can verify your identity on id.me. In order to verify your identity on id.me, it's a very simple process. All you need to do is make sure that you have all of the documents required. In order to verify it, first thing first, log in. After you're logged in, go to your accounts, and from there you'll be able to find an option as verify your identity. After you click the option, it's going to take you to this page where you'll need to go ahead and select the verification method. So there are different options, such as you can either answer questions about your credit card history, or you can upload photos of your driving license or a state ID, or you can also upload a photo of your passport or upload a photo of your passport card whatsoever. In order to begin with, just go ahead and tap the Start Now button located right in the corner, and then you'll begin with the procedure of verification. Make sure to enter in all of the details that has been asked. As soon as you do that, then you've successfully verified your identity on id.me. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.